terms of the major functional systems homeostasis. The term homeostasis is used by physiologists to mean maintenance of nearly constant conditions in the internal environment. Essentially, all organs and tissues of the body perform functions that help maintain these relatively constant conditions. For instance, the lungs provide oxygen to the extracellular fluid to replenish the oxygen used by the cells. The kidneys maintain constant ion concentrations, and the gastrointestinal system provides nutrients. A large segment of this text is concerned with the manner in which each organ or tissue contributes to homeostasis. To begin this discussion, the different functional systems of the body and their contributions to homeostasis are outlined in this chapter. Then we briefly outline the basic theory of the body's control systems that allow the functional systems to operate in support of one another. Extracellular fluid transport and mixing system. The blood circulatory system. Extracellular fluid is transported through all parts of the body in two stages. The first stage is movement of blood through the body in the blood vessels, and the second is movement of fluid between the blood capillaries and the intercellular spaces between the tissue cells. Figure 1.1 shows the overall circulation of blood. All the blood in the circulation traverses the entire circulatory circuit an average of once each minute when the body is at rest and as many as 6 times each minute when a person is extremely active. As blood passes through the blood capillaries, continual exchange of extracellular fluid also occurs between the plasma portion of the blood and the interstitial fluid that fills the intercellular spaces. This process is shown in Figure 1.2. The walls of the capillaries are permeable to most molecules in the plasma of the blood, with the exception of plasma protein molecules, which are too large to readily pass through the capillaries. Therefore, large amounts of fluid and its dissolved constituents diffuse back and forth between the blood and the tissue spaces, as shown by the arrows. This process of diffusion is caused by kinetic motion of the molecules in both the plasma and the interstitial fluid. That is, the fluid and dissolved molecules are continually moving and bouncing in all directions within the plasma and the fluid in the intercellular spaces, as well as through the capillary pores. Gut. Kidneys regulation excretion of electrolytes. Venous and arterial and capillaries nutrition and excretion. Figure 1.1 General organization.
Located more than 50 micrometers from a capillary, which ensures diffusion of almost any substance from the capillary to the cell within a few seconds. Thus, the extracellular fluid everywhere in the body, both that of the plasma and that of the interstitial fluid, is continually being mixed, thereby maintaining homogeneity of the extracellular fluid throughout the body.